Hello everyone, I'm Stéphane Andrietti, Product Manager at AutoForm. Today I would like to turn our conversation to the question of compensation strategies. This topic is very well established in the context of stamping, but did you know that it is applicable as well in the context of sub-assemblies that will be used to constitute the car body's frame? In simple words, the pivotal question is, can we apply a compensation strategy not only to bring an individual stamp part within tolerance, but also to ensure the entire subassembly meets its dimensional requirements? In this webinar, you will learn how to leverage digital compensation and gain valuable insights into the following key areas. How to identify the most leading parts of a subassembly, how to decide on the right compensation approach to resolve final assembly tolerance issues, and how to significantly reduce the efforts required for quality loops during tryout and ramp-up phase. We offer 2 sessions on that day, so feel free to select the time that works best for you and sign up now to join the discussion. We look forward to seeing you there and exploring the full potential of digitalization applied to the body-in-white assembly process. Thank you very much for your time.